How to sign up for Rakuten affiliate program. Hey guys, in today's video we are going to guide you through the process of signing up for Rakuten affiliate program. Before we get into the details of signing up, let's briefly talk about what Rakuten is. Rakuten is one of the largest e-commerce marketplaces and it offers a wide range of products from top brands. The Rakuten affiliate program allows you to earn a commission by promoting these products through your affiliate links. As you can see this interface on my screen, you can easily access it by clicking the link in my description box. Once you click the link, you will land on this page. Then you need to scroll down to the footer section and here you will see an option of affiliate. Click on it. Now it's time to fill out the publisher application form. This form will require you to provide some basic information including your name, email, website URL and contact details. Make sure to complete all required fields accurately. Once you are done, click on Get Started. Before you can proceed, you will need to agree to Rakuten terms and conditions for publisher. Be sure to read through these carefully as they outline the rules and expectations for affiliates. Now all that's left to do is wait for Rakuten to review and approve your application. This process may take a little time, so please be patient. Once your application is approved, Rakuten will provide you with access to your affiliate account. Here you can generate affiliate links, access marketing materials and monitor your earnings. Congratulations! Now you are an official Rakuten affiliate. You can start promoting products from various brands, share your affiliate links and earn commissions on qualifying sales. That's wrap up for our guide on how to sign up for Rakuten affiliate program. I hope the video helped you. Remember to give this video a thumbs up if you found it useful and subscribe our channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video.